The eddy Aikau this year was nothing less than amazing. The biggest eddy ever surfed, the biggest competition to date, biggest views, probably the greatest surfing event of all time. The morning of the contest was amazing. It's closing out the bay every set. Water was cleaning people out, and we knew it was on. The feeling that morning was just pretty much, really intense, really on edge, but I kind of just tried to keep myself calm, and this is what I do, this is what I love, this is who I am. What I love about the crowd is how much people support surfing, just surfing in general, all the fans, and everybody that loves to come down there and watch us compete. If it wasn't for all those people, our sport would go nowhere. It was great to surf with my friends, great to surf with everybody in the event. To have my teammates in my heat was pretty cool. One of the great big wave surfers just had passed, and I'm sure Brock was right there helping that swell come in and having everybody charge hard. At the end of the day, I surfed my heart out. I had the most fun I've ever had in my life in a contest, and I had no complaints at the end of the day because I left all my complaints, all my happiness, all my everything, I left it out in the water like I was supposed to, and I came in content that I was alive. I was back with my family, and I had probably the most memorable day of my life.